This is an introductory video into 4G Use Viewer. The 4G Use Viewer application is only a viewer and is useful to share data across the user's organization or prepare client deliverables. The viewer is not used for data collection or replay. 4G Use Viewer is a standalone software that can view .coda snap files that have been created in 4G Use. The snapshot file can contain mosaics and volume models of processed 3D data and includes any measurements, comments, and data edits carried out from ReviewHub inside 4G Use. These smaller files can be sent to clients or supervisors, for example, and opened using 4G Use Viewer. These files do not contain any of the raw data and are essentially processed in annotated point clouds that take advantage of the inbuilt 4G Use rendering engine. Creating a snapshot can be conducted in the ReviewHub. Once a user has created their mosaics or volume models, they can use the Publish Snapshot button. These snapshots will be as the mosaic is saved in the ReviewHub. If the mosaic data is clipped and only a volume is visible, this is the view that will be included in the snapshot opened in 4G Use Viewer. The user can then select the location to save the snapshot file. The Publish Snapshot window will appear, listing all of the mosaics in the ReviewHub. Ensure the required mosaics are toggled on, and select the Publish Snapshot button. Launch 4G Use Viewer and use the Open Snapshot button. The Windows Explorer will appear. Use this to select a snapshot. The snapshot project will open, and the mosaics or volume models in the snapshot will be listed for the user to select. Click on a card to open the mosaic. Users can visualize the mosaic and any measurements that were added. The measurement tools are at the top of the viewer. These can be used to add single point or line measurements by the viewer user. The information bar on the left of the screen includes information on the mosaic, including the size, location, and number of pings in the mosaic. If a user in 4G Use had added any comments to the mosaic, these would also be visible here. Images from the chart view, including if the 4G Use chart service was enabled, or if any 2D images of the mosaic were created, will also be saved in the snapshot. Users can return to the main window to open any other mosaics or volume models included in the snapshot file. This concludes this introductory video on the 4G Use Viewer. For more information, you can reach us by email at sales@codaoctopus.com or call our worldwide sales number +44 1315531380 or +14073524000 in the Americas.